Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. How does Fresh Roof Spray work? Fresh Roof Protection Spray works through a careful and chemical process designed to enhance the lifespan of your asphalt shingle roof. Fresh Roof Solution, incorporating advanced technologies like GreenSoy Technology, it is then applied to the entire roof surface. This solution is specially formulated to rebuild the asphalt molecules and restore flexibility, protect against UV rays, and extending the life of the shingles. Fresh Roof is designed not only to enhance the visual appearance of your roof, but also to protect it from the elements, prevent further deterioration, and extend its overall lifespan. This can result in significant cost savings by keeping your roof protected and not allowing it to dry out.